20 squared gives us 400. 6 divided by 20 times 400 simplifies to 20, and 400 cancels out each other and leaving us with 20 here. 6 times 20, that gives us 120, and finally 60 divided by 120, that gives us 0.5. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present, but we also have exponent present here, and in between we have fraction involved too. So according to the rules, we must focus on exponents first because they have highest priority. So this 20 to the power 2, that gives us 400, and our expression simplifies to 60 divided by 6 over 20 times 400. Remember, this is a fraction in between. This is not a division operator. It's 60 divided by 6 over 20. It's not 60 divided by 6 divided by 20. So it's different and should be treated differently. Now we have two operators present here, division and multiplication. They both have same level of priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this part first. 60 divided by 6 over 20. We have a division present in between and we have fraction involved too. To make our lives easier, we can use KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 60 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip 6 over 20 as 20 over 6, and then we have times 400 present from the original expression. So we have to solve this 60 times 20 over 6 first, because that's on the left side, and 6 and 60, they both are divisible by 6. That leaves us with 10 here. So we have 10 times 20 times 400, and we solve this left side first. So 10 times 20 equals 200, and then 200 times 400. 2 times 4, that gives us 8. We have 2 zeros from here and we have 2 zeros from here. So 80,000 is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.